In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page for your YouTube channel, and you can use this link in the About section of your channel and the YouTube description. Before we get started, make sure to grab all the links to your profile, text for your short summary or one-liner, your profile pic, and any background images you want to use. If you haven't already created an account, there's a free plan plus 3 paid plans, Light, Standard, and Plus, but you can stick to the free plan or get the Light plan if you want to use the Pro templates, or the Standard plan if you have a custom domain. Once you select the plan, head over to your dashboard and click New Site in the top right. Here's where you find all the templates, starting with the profile. You can pick any one of these for your link in bio. For landing, this is a simple one page for your products and services. For form, this is where you collect all your emails. And here's portfolio. And sections is to add any extra sections to your one-page site. For now, we'll stick to profile, so you can select your favorite one to get started. And here's where you can make any changes, starting with up top here. This is where you can add an element, so text, image, video, gallery, divider, form, slideshow, widget. This is to undo or redo any changes. This is to preview animations. You have mobile and desktop view. Once you're done editing and your site is published, you can preview the published site from here and save and publish here. You click on any element to get started. You can add your text here. You can also use Markdown to make any changes, such as bold, italic, highlight. Same here, using Markdown to bold this first line. To add links, to change the appearance, you head to the second tab. So you can change the color, the link color, font size, font weight, change the appearance of the text to upper, lower, or small caps. And then the last two tabs is to edit the animations. And then settings here. You can click here to make changes to your button. Change the text here, and then you can also change the icon. And add your link. You can add another button here. If you're on a free plan, you don't have the option to forms, so you can use the mail to : and then add your email address to get emails. You can upload your images, add your alt text. You head down here to change your social media icons. Pick your platform and then change the link. Delete any ones you don't use, or you can add another one to this section. And then to change the background, you click onto the side. You can choose your own background image, or you can pick from the library. And once you're done, click Save. Add your title. This is going to show up top here. Add a description. For the free plan, you can choose a name that's available. If you have a paid plan, you click Publish to Custom Domain and add your domain. And then fill this section out here. The directions here will show you what to do depending on your domain provider. And you can also add images in the site icon. If you have Google Analytics, you can add your code here. And then once you're done with the changes, you hit Publish. And you can view your site. After that, copy the link and add it to your About section and the YouTube description default. Watch this video if you haven't already to learn what to include in your description. And if you want to see a video on creating a landing page for your services, leave a comment below.